Whether you're a professional diver or cooking a pot roast in the oven, after this short video, you'll be able to use your timing bezel to do both. If you have a Rolex Sea Dweller, Breitling Superocean, and in this video a Glycine combat sub, most timing bezels work the same. To time something, just rotate the 12 o'clock marker to the minute hand, and use the minutes to count the elapsed time against the bezel. In here, 6 minutes have passed. Now most timing bezels only turn one way to prevent minutes being added, and added minutes could mean life or death for your pot roast. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe and like. And also, if the watching the video caught your interest, there will be links in the description and comment section to the unboxing and review.